Holy shit, I caught a fish and this thing is messed up. Damn it. My line is screwed up. Shit. There's a fish on there. Man, I'm gonna have to do this one by hand because he is very messed up. Shit. I got a fish. I don't know what it is. Hopefully he's out of there. Where is he? Fuck. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Well, we just got to the spot. We're gonna try it again. Try to get that perch. Yep. It's about 8:30 in the morning. And high tide was probably at 8. I'm a little late. But it was about 3.5 feet, maybe. It's kind of a low high tide. But yeah, it rained a lot last night, so let's see how the fishing is. I don't really know how the beach looks after rain. I'm not a beach fisherman, but I know it's gonna make it easier for me to walk on this with the wet sand, because it rained heavy. Alright, you can see it's kind of crazy, but look at we're gonna do a high-low. Nobody ever does that, right? High-low Carolina rig. On the bottom one, we're gonna have the gulp sandworms camo, and then this one we're gonna try the extruded blood worm. Okay, we're gonna try that stuff. But yeah, let's get it ready. All right, let's get it in there. Look at these waves. I had to switch it up to this red one because maybe they can't see. I don't know. Holy shit, I caught a fish and this thing is messed up. Damn it. My line is screwed up. Shit. There's a fish on there. Man, I'm gonna have to do this one by hand because he is very messed up. Shit. I got a fish. I don't know what it is. Hopefully he's out of there. Where is he? Fuck. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Can't believe that. And he's messed up my line. Whew. Yes. I barely had him. Dang, that's a big perch. That's a big boy. Sure, get all that line out again. Sorry, buddy. And dead. See that? It's dead now. It's supposed to be dead. Rinse. Maybe we don't want to be this far. Come on. Give me some water. Give me some water. Here comes my water. Barred. Maybe that's a barred surf perch, I'm not very sure. It's huge. Woo! I mean, like, yeah, it's a big fish. Let's go rinse my hands real quick. That's awesome! So awesome! is that fish. Oh my god. I don't know. To the fork, I guess. He's about 14 1/4. I don't know what this is. Is this a barred perch? It's huge. It's a big boy. But yeah. We still did good. No skunk. His little teeth. But yeah. It's pretty nice. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. We fished about 2.5 hours. We caught that fish like about 1.5 hours in. But yeah, we got, I think that was a barred surf perch. I'm not sure. But 14 inches, and he looks about 1 pound uppers, you know. It's a big fish. So no skunk. Yeah, we caught them on the extruded worms. But yeah, we're about ready. But look at that light setup. Look at that. That's all I brought fishing. Wow. Right? For me, wow. But we gotta get out of here. Let's go home, maybe eat this fish, maybe. But yeah. Now we gotta go that way. But look, at least we don't gotta make the walk of shame that I didn't catch nothing on the beach. I need to get out of this little rut that I'm in. The last maybe 6-7 times I went fishing, I only catch 1 fish or 2 fish. I haven't caught over 2 fish in a long time. Yeah, almost there. But as I was saying, yeah, I need to get myself out of this rut. You know, you can check out my videos. I don't know, the last 6-7 times, only 1 or 2 fish. You know, I can't really complain. I don't think anybody would complain. You know, I catch fish every time I go, but I want to catch more than 1 or 2. I haven't caught 3 in a long time. So yeah. Pretty soon I'll get off of that little rut that I'm in. Catch 3 fish or more. Yeah. Ooh, it's getting hot. Yeah. We're getting to the spot. Fishing. Microphone check. 1 2. And yes, we made it. Feel that breeze. Feels so good. But yeah, no skunk. No skunk. That's all that matters, right?